Hi, I'm Dustin with 1 Hour Air Phoenix. We appreciate the heroes and servicemen who keep our country and our communities safe. For residents around the Phoenix area who are police, fire, EMT, active duty U.S. military, or veterans, you can be part of the Heroes Club membership. You'll get 15% off parts and repairs, an annual cooling and heating checkup, $500 towards your next replacement, and priority service when you call us for regular or emergency service. The membership includes all these perks for free. Get set up today with 1 Hour Air Phoenix.